Can you see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, question is where to set up the special periods in fiscal year variant. For example, if I go here, fiscal year variant is what FB 29, right? Uh, it was open for some time, so
Let's see. Sometimes it takes time.
so the question is where to set up the special period of fiscal year variant.
So V3 of fiscal year variant for India. In V3 on the front screen you will see 12 normal period and 4 special period.
हाँ वही मैं बताना चाहता था.
Hmm.
Plus N
OB29, not FB.
OB 29.
So
Okay. For
hmm.
example, I have created one that is V4. Let's say because I copied from V3 and V4, right? So this is what it is. So now if I go to periods, here we are giving only 12 periods, right?
Here we are giving the logic how my system will do the posting if I'm doing posting in the 2025, so that impact will be in 2024.
Correct.
Go back.
Go back.
Here you have 12 normal period, 4 special period. Here you are saying my variant will have 4 special period. It means after April, I still have 4 months where I can do the posting, which will have impact in the 2024.
ये समझ
Here
गया
we
मैं.
are.
करेक्ट. यहाँ पे हम अब उसको रेफर कर रहे हैं, लेकिन what I'm trying to say is that here if you go to periods, no, we are giving till only 12 till 12
हाँ
periods.
हमें यहाँ पे 12 ही देने हैं.
Okay. Then a period text. Here we are mentioning that especially 1, 2, 3 and 4.
So यहाँ पे we are saying special period.
Correct.
बट
Correct.
वहां पे हम लॉजिक दे रहे हैं बिकॉज हर कंपनी स्पेशल पीरियड यूज नहीं करेगी.
Okay.
और
But
आपकी कंपनी भी सारी यूज नहीं करेगी, एक आधा यूज करेगी. बोर्ड फर्स्ट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में हम कह रहे हैं कि हमारे 12 पीरियड हैं,
yeah.
जिसमें मैं जब भी जनवरी में पोस्टिंग करूंगा, फरवरी में पोस्टिंग करूंगा, तो उसमें क्या होगा, आपका इम्पैक्ट 2024 में आएगा. और जो
हाँ हाँ,
आप
that
ये
is
वाली
fine.
नहीं नहीं,
हाँ
ये वाली कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ना, ये आपने करी है, इसमें ये स्टैंडर्ड में नहीं होती है.
हाँ सर, स्टैंडर्ड में है. मैं को भीतर में दिखाऊंगा ना.
हाँ दिखाइए, वहां भी किसी ने करी होगी.
V3
V3
में
में भी किसी ने
दिखाइएगा.
करी होगी, क्योंकि ये टेस्ट सिस्टम है ना, लोग
हम्म,
छेड़ते बहुत है. ये देखिए यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज देखिए DE आ रही है. जर्मन की लैंग्वेज होगी नहीं इंडिया
हाँ,
के लिए.
ये इंग्लिश के लिए भी दिया हुआ है कुछ, लेकिन
नहीं
हो
नहीं,
सकता है.
मैं
मेरा
मैं मैं अपने स्टैंडर्ड सिस्टम में भी देख सकता हूँ. तब तक आप बता, हाँ पूछिए तब तक
मेरा
अगला क्वेश्चन.
मेरा लॉजिक ये है कि ये 12 हम यहाँ पे सेट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन
हम्म
13, 14, 15, 16 हम सेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन
नहीं नहीं,
यहाँ
वो
पे
करने
चार
की जरूरत नहीं है.
जरूरत
वहां
नहीं,
पे खाली
सिस्टम
अपने
विल
लास्ट जो
एक्सेप्ट इट.
फ्रंट स्क्रीन पे आपने मेंशन किया 4, वहां पे आप 2 करोगे तो आपको अप्रैल के बाद 2 पीरियड अलाउ करेगा. 4 करोगे तो 4 पीरियड अलाउ करेगा. उसके लिए आपको
अंडरस्टूड.
अलग से कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता.
गॉट दैट. अंडरस्टूड.
ठीक है. और वो जो अलग से कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है ना, वो स्टैंडर्ड में नहीं होती. मैं आपको स्टैंडर्ड सिस्टम भी दिखाऊंगा. तब तक
अच्छा,
आप अपना अगला क्वेश्चन पूछिए, मैं सिस्टम ओपन करता हूँ.
ठीक है. दूसरा सवाल है सर,
हम्म.
हाउ टू ऐड और एडिट पोस्टिंग पीरियड ओपन एंड क्लोज वेरिएंट. फॉर
हाँ
एग्जांपल,
हाँ.
फॉर एग्जांपल, this is OB 52, right?
OB52. हाँ.
SKPI. यहाँ पे I have already given plus asset,
हम्म
customer, vendor and ledger, right?
हम्म
So I want to add some new line item here. For example, if you want to
हम्म
add, say after S, right, after
हम्म
general ledger, I
हम्म
want to add contract account or materials. तो मैं इस
और मे बी अगेन यू वांट टू ऐड एस. would be also the scenario.
बताइए सर, आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो.
जैसे मैं कह रहा हूँ कि सपोज यू वांट टू ऐड अनदर लाइन आइटम फॉर एस आल्सो, दैट इज आल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
हम्म
करेक्ट. आई वांट टू ऐड अ न्यू लाइन आइटम हियर. लेकिन सर यहाँ
क्लिक
पे कैसे करूँ मैं?
क्लिक क्लिक न्यू एंट्री अबव.
लेकिन प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे न्यू एंट्री करेंगे ना, ये सब कुछ चला जा रहा है. इट्स
हाँ तो
स्टार्टिंग विथ न्यू.
हाँ ऐसे ही होगा. अगर
लेट्स.
आपको आपको डेटा चाहिए वहां से, बैक करो, ग्रीन पे ऊपर टिक करो,
जी.
एक लाइन को सेलेक्ट करो, किसी को जिसका आप डेटा कॉपी करना चाहते हो, किसी भी एक लाइन को जिसको आप कॉपी करना चाहते हो. न्यू एंट्री के साथ में ना डबल पेपर का बटन है, वो कॉपी बटन होता है. ये राइट
या
साइड, राइट साइड.
ये वाला कॉपी.
हाँ, कॉपी क्लिक कर. अब आपके पास कॉपी होके आ गया। अब इसमें आप जो थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करना है वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग कर लो, बट जब भी न्यू एंट्री करोगे तो स्क्रीन नहीं आ जाएगी।
तो फिर नीचे वाला कैसे करोगे, ये तो नहीं आ रहा।
नीचे, नहीं नहीं नीचे, नहीं नहीं संतोष जी, जो एंटर है वो तो एंटर है ही है। न्यू एंट्री करने के बाद एंटर करोगे तो पांचों लाइन, पांचों डेटा आपको दिख जाएंगे।
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या।
वो जाएंगे कहीं नहीं। न्यू एंट्री का मतलब है जो चार क्रिएट थे वो चार क्रिएट है, पांचवा आप क्रिएट करो, उसके बाद एंटर करो, सेव करो, आपके पांचों दिखेंगे। अब
हाँ।
एक एक न्यू क्लिक कॉपी करके या न्यू एंट्री करके डेटा डालो।
जी यहाँ पे डालते हैं, एम डालते हैं, ठीक है।
एम है वहाँ पे।
हाँ एम है ना।
मटेरियल मटेरियल ठीक है।
मटेरियल।
हाँ ठीक है
तो यहाँ
ठीक
पे
है
टू
ठीक।
अकाउंट में जट 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 कर दिया मैंने।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
और यहाँ से शुरू होगा
एंटर
वो।
कर दो, कोई नहीं, वो तो वो बाद में भी आप कर सकते हो, एंटर कर दो।
कर दिया।
अब सेव कर दो।
सेव कर दिया।
हाँ ठीक है, सेव करो। अब एक बार बैक पे क्लिक करो। आ गया सर आपका।
गॉट इट। अंडरस्टूड।
न्यू एंट्री का मतलब है कि मैं आपको नई एंट्री करने को दे रहा हूँ। पहले जो एंट्री है वो तो है ही है, वो तो रहेंगी रहेंगी,
हाँ।
बट न्यू एंट्री यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड।
अंडरस्टूड सर। क्लियर।
ठीक है।
Document and number ranges. So, for example, in document type, sir, for example, if I go here,
OBA7।
yeah, OBS7 पे,
हम्म।
so I have all the document types here, right? And for
हाँ।
example, if I go any of the document type, this is my document type, then in this I will have to go, then
हम्म
I'll see number ranges,
हम्म।
then you have to, I will give my
कंपनी कोड।
company code, then
हाँ
उसके बाद फिर I click on interval, it will show me all these things, right?
हाँ हाँ
लेकिन मुझे चाहिए ये जो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप्स है, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज फॉर केयर, 18 इज
हाँ
फॉर केयर,
हाँ
19 is for essay,
हाँ।
so 20 is for something, so I want to see that as well because it is difficult for me to identify.
गो, ओके, सो यू वांट टू सी द डेटा इन वन रो।
हाँ, what is my document type,
देखो,
what is my number range.
हाँ हाँ, देर इज अ ऑप्शन ऑल्सो, बट आपको ये समझना है कि सिस्टम में तीन तीन टीमें काम करती हैं। वन टीम इज कंसल्टेंट, सेकंड टीम इज सी टीम, थर्ड टीम इज एंड यूजर।
Right sir.
Every team will have different kind of authorization. Okay,
Right.
suppose you are working as an end user, so you might not have access for that transaction code where you can see these kind of data.
सही बात है।
अब अभी मैं बताऊंगा कैसे देखना है, बट मैं आपको पूरा वो बता रहा हूँ सिनेरियो कैसे कंपनी में काम होता है। CTM will have more access than end user, so CTM might have access for that transaction code to see the data like as you are asking.
करेक्ट।
Consultant will have all the authorization in test system and in quality. In production, consultant will have only view access because consultant cannot do anything in the production system. Now, how to see data? So, whenever you are doing any configuration, any master data creating in the system, any transaction you are doing,
हम्म।
system stores the data in table. So, what is table? In table, you will get the data, whatever you are doing configuration, whatever you are doing for master data, whatever you are doing transaction. So, for this configuration document type, we have one table. What is that table name? Let me just recall.
मैं भी थोड़ा ढूंढ रहा था, या तो
Go back, go back. अगर
good.
आपको नहीं मिले टेबल तो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी, गो बैक।
आप मेरा सवाल समझ रहे हैं ना,
हाँ
बिकॉज ये
हाँ,
डिफिकल्ट होता है कि 18 किसके लिए, 19 किसके लिए जानना बड़ा
नहीं
तकलीफ
नहीं नहीं,
होता है।
हो यू, अगर आप, मैं वही बता रहा हूँ ना, इफ यू आर वर्किंग एज एंड यूजर तब इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बिकॉज यू डोंट नीड टू नो ऑल द
या
थिंग।
या
इफ यू आर अ कंसल्टेंट यू शुड हैव आइडिया हाउ टू चेक, बट वो मैं बाद में जरूर बताता। बट
श्योर।
अगर मैं आपको अब बता रहा हूँ तो मैं पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही बताऊंगा अब।
यस यस यस।
ठीक है, तो अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि एंड यूजर विल हैव स्मॉल काइंड ऑफ एक्सेस,
या
CTM will have more access than end user. Consultant will have all the access in test system and quality system, and consultant should know because as you are asking me regarding this data, how we can see all the data in one row.
वन स्क्रीन।
We have,
हम्म।
but if end user is asking to you, you should give the answer. Maybe
करेक्ट।
you are not knowing that time, but you will say to them, "Give me 2 minutes, give me 10 minutes after lunch or something like that." You will
या
give the answer. So for that, we have a table. What is table? Whenever we are doing any kind of transaction, posting, master data or configuration, system stores the data in table level. So for that, I am not remembering the table name. So you can do one thing. Whenever you do not remember the table name, what you can do? Come on that option where you want to find the table. Now do one thing. Do F1 here. No, 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 not over there. Your cursor is should be on the topic which you want to find the table. Keep your cursor on the KR. So you want to find the table for the document type.
Correct.
Keep anywhere in the document type. Okay. Now do F1. No, no, did you click on that care? No, no. Go click close this one. Now do F1 because your cursor was on pencil. Now
Okay.
do F1. Now system will open this dialog box. Okay, now click on fourth option. There is a fourth option. Yeah, this one. Click on this one. Then T003 table name. You can see V underscore T003.
बराबर.
V means view. Sometimes system every time you will not get the exact table name. Sometimes you will get something which you need to decide what is the table, or maybe you will try to see is this table or not. Then here it is mentioned V underscore T003. So table name is T003, not
Yeah.
V.
Yeah.
V is like a
View.
view for
Hmm.
ABAP consultant. It is required, not for functional consultant. So remember this table T003 and close this dialog box. Close. Now run the transaction code SE16N. Yes. Now enter the table name here. What is the table name?
T double zero
Yes.
three.
Enter. Now execute it. Execute.
Mm-hmm.
So you will get all the details here. So you can read out all the documents. Let me just give me a second. Let me explain you that also. Just give me a second.
Sure. Sure. Hmm.
Okay. Sorry for that. I was
No
getting
problem, sir.
one call for the interview.
No problem, sir.
Okay, so regarding this table concept is whatever you are doing, system will store all the things in the table.
समझ गया सर.
ठीक है तो अब नाउ लुक फॉर योर डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप केयर ठीक है
Is the
केयर है
one.
यहाँ पे केयर विल हैव नंबर इन 18
Hmm.
द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज AKMS लीव दैट पार्ट एज ऑफ नाउ
Yeah.
K is I believe it is reversal document
Correct.
and in front of that you can see it is take for asset posting GL posting material posting and uh, what is G for GL S
As per general ledger, M per material.
material G for
Again,
GL.
GL.
What is S? Let me see.
Supplier.
Supply. So it is vendor, material, GL, and asset. So it is allowed for this posting. Go right. So all the things here you can see. So this is for document class A. I don't know. Regarding description, vendor invoice. So whenever you need to see anything regarding the configuration, regarding transaction, regarding the master data, you need to go to the table level.
एकदम बढ़िया बात है सर.
This
Thank you.
way you can find all the information. अब
Yes.
मैंने आपको कॉन्सेप्ट तो बता ही दिया नाउ इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट लेट मी जस्ट clear all the things also. So as of now we have done some configuration like company code, we have done configuration for GL, we have done configuration for document type, fiscal year, all these things. Now you need to, maybe you don't need to remember, because I was not also remembering this table, but I know how to find that table. Okay,
Hmm.
now you have done the configuration for company code. So for that we have a table named T001. Go to T001.
Like, how do you find that? Is there any in IMG path? Do you have any option to find those table names?
No, no, no. Tables name you cannot find. The way I told you, only that way you can find. Otherwise, you need to do the Google.
Okay, 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 okay. Got
ठीक है,
it.
अब यहाँ पे you can see we have 464 companies company codes created in this system.
Hmm.
तभी मैं क्या कहता हूँ कि इस टेस्ट सिस्टम में समटाइम इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क, बिकॉज कभी कोई खराब कर रहा होगा, कोई कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कभी कोई खराब कर रहा होगा,
सही
बिकॉज
बात है।
some कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एट क्लाइंट लेवल, सम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एट कंपनी कोड लेवल, जो कंपनी कोड लेवल पे है वो तो हमने ही करी है, सो दैट इज नॉट द इशू, बट पीपल आर डूइंग कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एट क्लाइंट लेवल, सो उसमें चैलेंज आ जाता है, जैसे हम अभी करेंगे बिजनेस पार्टनर की वेंडर की, तो उसमें हमें चैलेंज आएगा आएगा।
या
ठीक है, तो इस वे में हम चेक कर सकते हैं ऑल द डेटा विच वी हैव कॉन्फ़िगर्ड, विच वी हैव एंटर्ड।
परफेक्ट
और
सर, अंडरस्टूड।
इसके अलावा जो ये नया टी कोड है, बिफोर दिस टी कोड वी हैड SC16। आप SC16 रन करिए, उसका लुक एंड व्यू जो है अच्छा नहीं है, वो ओल्ड ट्रांजेक्शन कोड है। यहाँ पे T01 डाला, आप दोबारा एग्जीक्यूट कर दो, आप एंटर कर दो,
हम्म।
एग्जीक्यूट एग्जीक्यूट। तो यहाँ पे आपके पास लुक एंड फील इतना अच्छा नहीं है, और वहाँ पे SC16N में यू हैव मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस टू फिल्टर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम दी फ्रंट स्क्रीन ऑल्सो, अगर यू वांट टू फाइंड दी कंपनी कोड्स ओनली विच यू क्रिएटेड, दैट ऑल्सो ऑप्शन अवेलेबल, इसमें थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है। ठीक है,
करेक्ट।
चीजें वही मिल रही हैं आपको, बट लुक एंड फील और इजी वर्क वुड बी फ्रॉम SC16N।
सही बात है। समझ
ठीक
गए
है,
सर।
क्लियर
थैंक यू
है।
सो मच फॉर दिस, यस, वेरी
ओके,
नाइस।
नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन योर्स।
Field status variant. For example, if you go to OBD4, क्विकली मैं
OBD4,
बताऊँ।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
OBD4, यहाँ पे सर हम जो फील्ड स्टेटस वेरिएंट यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, राइट?
हम्म।
We go to SQPI. See, here we have a field status variant.
हम्म
If I go here, we have field
हम्म
status variant.
हम्म।
Is it something this is only for this particular account group?
यस
OBC4, that is
यस
for
यस।
the whole account group. This is only for this particular
So
account group.
remember this word, field status. This field status you will have in so many configuration.
Yeah,
So we have already seen field status for GL. When we are doing the transaction, whatever field status is mentioned in the GL, system will show you those fields only.
correct.
One thing. Second thing, in the posting key. In the posting key, we have field status. So for that posting key, whatever configuration we have in that field status, system will show you those fields for that posting key. Okay. Now, while creating the GL in this account group, whatever field you are saying, it should be applicable, it should be visible. Those field will be coming in FS00 transaction,
Only for this particular
only for this particular account group.
account group. And in OBC4, that is for the whole.
That is OBC4, that is for your transactional posting field status.
This also
This,
transparent open.
ठीक है, मैं को आपको स्क्रीन पे बताता हूँ, लेट मी जस्ट वेट, लेट मी जस्ट शेयर माय स्क्रीन।
देखिए यहाँ पे OBC4 अगर जाएंगे, अच्छा, आर यू शेयरिंग?
हाँ, एक सेकेंड, लेट मी जस्ट ओपन द सिस्टम फर्स्ट।
या,
ठीक है, नाउ लेट मी नो इफ यू आर एबल टू सी माय स्क्रीन।
नॉट इट। आई थिंक आई नीड टू स्टॉप शेयरिंग। हाँ,
ओके, others can see।
हाँ, वी कैन सी नाउ। आई कैन सी
ठीक
नाउ।
है, others can also confirm, are you guys able to see the screen?
Not it.
Not
यस।
yet, let me just reshare it,
No.
let me reshare। Now can you see SCP screen?
इट इज कमिंग। हाँ, आई कैन सी नाउ।
Okay, and
बट
No,
Chandrasekhar?
sir. Not it. Yeah, Santosh is presenting, right? No, you're not
No, no,
able
No,
to.
no.
I am presenting.
I don't
You want to see
know.
Pune's screen.
No, no, so Chandrasekhar, are you able to see SAP screen?
No, no, sir. No, sir. Yeah, now I can. Yeah,
Okay, okay, great.
yeah,
Okay, so Santosh, your query was regarding the field status for the account group we have. So for that
Right.
we have a transaction code OBD4.
Correct. That's creating account
ठीक है
group.
हाँ ठीक है हमारा it is this R chart of account.
Yeah.
So in this chart of account we have this account group which is for accumulated depreciation, and we have this chart of account, this is for accounts payable account group. मतलब we have same chart of account but we have different account groups. Okay,
Right. Right.
now let me create the GL. We have transaction.fs00 for creating the GL. Now let's create this admin expense. Suppose I'm creating the GL in this account group, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. This. Now let me enter. Let me create. And I'm going inside of this account group now. Double click on this one. Let's
Mm.
field status here. So it is administrative expense, correct?
yeah.
Yes.
So here we have for this it is starting from control data. So control data. Let me just firstly select this one because these are the things mandatory. So it is same for everybody, every field, every account group. So I would say
Admin expenses. Okay.
consultant expense. Sorry, no control data. Let's go in the control data. So we have all these currency, text category, reconciliation. All the fields are optional.
Mm.
Either you enter or do not enter. System will not stop you. Suppose I say text category. So sorry. Okay, I do text category suppress. Suppose, let me save it. So suppress means I am hiding.
Okay,
Let me
okay.
go, come again in this same screen. Are you getting that text category field now?
No.
No, because for admin expense account group, we have done the suppress for text category. So now make it mandatory. Now let me come back again. Now is it mandatory?
Yeah,
Without entering, you will not be able to move forward. Let me show you. See, system is saying make an entry in mandatory field text category because we have done field status from account group. So this is one field status which we can play from account group for creating the GL. Okay, now second account group, let me show you. I'm closing this. Is it clear, Santosh?
Yes. So you're saying that this particular option is used to for the configuration part.
For the no, this GL creation is not configuration. This GL creation is master data.
Master data part.
ठीक है?
And OBC4 is
अभी
for
मैं
the
उस पे आ
end
रहा हूँ.
user.
अभी
Got it.
अभी इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, it is clear, sir.
ठीक है. अब हम आते हैं एग्जिस्टिंग जीएल लेते हैं कोई.
Yeah.
हमने कोई जीएल बनाया नहीं क्या? बनाया. ठीक है, एक एडमिन एक्सप्रेस का हमने जीएल बनाया.
Right.
नाउ गो टू दिस क्रिएट बैंक इंटरेस्ट. यहाँ पे एक हमने फील्ड स्टेटस ग्रुप लगाया है.
Barabar.
In this field status group, we are saying G001. Let's check what is there in G001. OBC4. And our field status group is GG01. Go inside. What is that? G001. This one. Let me go
reconciliation.
inside.
General.
Now we have all these options. In the general data, it is saying all the fields are suppressed. Only text field is optional.
Mm.
Let me just firstly go to this GL now. Okay, I'm going to post the transaction now. This is your company code. This is your GL. Okay. Because in this GL, we have this group. Now, let me go. Now, you are not able to see other fields. You can see only text field.
Mm.
Now, I say required. Save it. Now, I go again. Sorry. Text field is mandatory now.
Yeah.
So, this field status is for doing the transaction. The GL which are having that field status group, system will show you only those fields. System will show you mandatory field based on the field status which is assigned in the GL master. Clear?
So which P
Yes.
code are you using that for
For
field
field
status?
status, we have OBC4. I need to tell you this topic, sorry, Chandrasekhar, regarding that. But
Okay.
this topic is regarding the OBC4 transaction code.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So one thing, sir, G001 is the field status group.
Hmm.
Under that, you have multiple account groups, right?
Hmm.
Isn't it?
Hmm. Multiple groups here. See.
Account groups. These are the fields,
Okay.
but you have
Correct.
the
Correct.
multi
Correct. Correct.
account groups.
So in this field status variant, we have multiple account group. We assign this account group in the GL master.
Correct.
Hmm.
Now in OBT4, for example, G001, you have 5 account groups. In OBT4, yeah. So let's say for one of the expenses
Hmm.
account group, right?
Take this one.
Administrative expenses.
Hmm.
Here I'm saying in the field status, if I click on field status, I
Hmm.
am mentioning that what should be my
So so so
configuration
so
options for the master data creation only for this
yes.
particular account,
Yes. Correct.
right? But
Correct.
this will not be applicable to other
No,
account groups, right?
no, no. It will not be applicable for other account group. It will be only applicable for administrative expense account group.
While creating that
GL.
must GL, that is FS00.
That is FS00.
Clear now?
Both the
Understood, sir?
both the field status are clear.
Yes, yes.
Now third field status is regarding the posting key. So we are posting the transaction. Here we are taking posting key 40.
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you the field status for posting key also. What is the
Y-
transaction code for posting key? OB41.
Oh, huh.
Okay, now let's go to 40. This is 40. Double click on this
Yes,
one.
yes.
Here also we have field status.
Hmm.
So that
Now go inside
this
general data. It is saying every field is
does not
optional.
go.
Here it is saying every field is optional. Now I say suppress, but let me take the different GL because in this we have two field status we are going to use GL field status and posting key. Both the field status should be in sync, otherwise system will give you error also. That also let me show you because I believe this field was suppressed in the GL field status, correct?
Correct.
Now I'm going to do this field is required. It is not in the sync. System should give you error. Let me save here. Now let me run the transaction code again. Am I getting error?
Yeah.
And the system is telling you the field name also Zuner. Zuner is this field assignment number. Let me show you this field number also, field name also. This it is not showing here, but it will show you in the transaction. So this field I make it required, but in this GL, this
Hmm.
field is suppressed. It is not visible. So which field is not visible? How you can make it required? Either you can make it optional, or you can say it is suppressed in my side also. Suppose Santosh is having some fields and Puneet is also having some fields. Santosh is saying this field is suppressed, it is not visible, and I am saying it is field. This field is required. So we have a conflict.
Yeah.
So we should have in this sync. Either I would say, okay, make it optional from my side also, and so Santosh is saying make it suppress. Then it is fine. But if I say this field is required from my side and Santosh is saying it is suppressed, it is not available, then it is a conflict. That is why
Got
we
it.
are getting error. Now
So
either
yes.
I will make it optional, then I will be able to move forward. Now
Got it.
let me save that configuration first. And now let me run the transaction code again. Now you are able to move forward, but that field is not visible because we have suppressed that field. Now in the text field, it is mandatory. This mandatory is from this field status.
Hmm.
We can do mandatory from here also. It is okay. Then we are in sync. Sorry. Then we are in sync. But if I say suppress and one way you are saying it is required, then system will show you error.
Correct. So it means that OBT4, if you're setting something in OBT4,
Hmm.
and the field status variant in the posting key, both has to match.
OBD4, no. OBC4.
OBC4.
OBC4 and OB41 field status should be in sync.
Hmm.
OBD4 is separate for master data. OBC4 and OB41 it is for transaction.
For transaction. हाँ समझ
Posting
गया अभी समझ गया मैं.
posting key and GL field status is for transaction. Account group which is OBD4 that is only for GL creation.
For GL creation.
Clear?
Yes sir. Clear.
Okay, let me show you show me the next point.
Next one is GL creation. Okay, very small point.
Share your
Uh,
screen.
जैसे मैं ऐसे बोल देता हूँ, how
Hmm.
to create a GL accounts in bulk. For example, we need to create multiple GL accounts, right? So instead of creating one by one, is there a
Hmm.
possibility that we can create in the bulk like we have created for account group under OBD4?
Account group we have not created bulk. In
मतलब
account group
एक्सेल में
configuration we
लेके.
उस वहां पे खाली हमारे पास दो तीन फील्ड थी तो इसलिए we were entering like that. But in while creating the GL we need to go to different tabs. तो इसलिए definitely we have option in bulk also. Let me show you, but I won't be able to show you how. I will
Okay.
be able to show you there is a transaction code which we can use to create the bulk GL master. So first of all, this is the transaction code for creating the GL.
जी सर.
Okay. This one is for creating the GL new. This one is with template. Suppose I want to create another GL. Suppose number two. Number two, it is also there. No. Now I'm taking the reference from the one. Everything will come automatically. Everything is coming automatically. Now I will be changing the name. Suppose I say uh, service expense, and then I will see what I need to change. I believe I don't need to change anything. Saved. So it is taking
Okay.
very quickly. You are able to create it. Now another point you have. Suppose you want to create thousands of GL. Then user will do like this. It means they are going to waste so much of your time. No, we have another transaction code. Let me LSMW. In this transaction code, we can create bulk data in one go. But to understand this transaction code, we have 14 steps. All these steps we need to understand, and then we can use this transaction code to use to upload GL master in one go.
Got it.
As per this build, we need to upload the data, right? So process steps.
As per the transaction code FS00, which is for creating the GL, we
Mhm.
will be using that transaction code in this transaction code.
Using the run batch input session.
Using the run batch input session. But before that, we need to record the transaction code, which is FS00.
Mhm.
Then we will prepare the Excel for that thousands of GL. Then we will upload the Excel and system will create automatically all the GLs in the background.
Where you can upload option here,
Which one?
option upload in the GL, right? Like Excel file, LSMW.
In LSMW, where is that option?
Yeah,
This is the complete option, 14 steps.
yeah. So we need to upload that Excel file right now
Excel file you will be selecting from here.
here. Okay, so spare files. Okay,
Yeah, so it
so
is,
we
you are
go
going
to
to
that.
select the file which are saved on your desktop.
Okay, yeah.
And
सर
then
प्रैक्टिकली ये यूज होता है क्या या पीपल यूज
हाँ
दैट
हाँ
एफ एस डबल जीरो राउट?
नहीं 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 if you're so it depends on business requirement. If you have a 2 3 4 5 GL, then you are not going to come here because you are going to run 14 steps. And if you are using this transaction code for 3 4 5 GLs, then you are wasting your time.
बात तो
if
सही है
if
लेकिन
you are
प्रैक्टिकल
creating more than 25 30 40 50 100, then this is the transaction code which people use.
बिकॉज प्रैक्टिकली तो हमें ज़्यादा तो रहेगा ही, मतलब
हाँ
इट कैन
नहीं
नॉट
नहीं नहीं, मतलब
हैपन
शुरू
लाइक वन
शुरू में
ऑफ
ज्यादा रहता है, बाद में एक ही दो दो आते हैं। जब एक बार आपका पूरा क्रिएट हो गया जीएल मास्टर पूरा सब कुछ जब प्रोजेक्ट शुरू हुआ, देन दैट टाइम यू विल हैव सो मेनी जीएल्स टू क्रिएट। उसके बाद एवरी मंथ में बी यू विल हैव 1 or 2 जीएल्स एवरी मंथ, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू हैव thousands of GL. And but this transaction code LSMW, it is not only for creating the bulk GL, it is for every kind of bulk data upload.
अंडरस्टूड.
Suppose I want to create a text code in bulk, then this code transaction code LSMW will help us. But this transaction code is little tricky in some places. Let me show you where. Uh, um, so suppose I'm going here. I need to click on organization system. That transaction code will click on this one. Then it is little difficult to select the drop down in that transaction code. That is why it is useful, but not with every transaction code. Okay. So
ओके
for
सर.
LSMW for FS00, it is very easy. So if you want, today I can cover LSMW or I will start further theory regarding the accounts payable.
अकाउंट्स
Because
पेबल शुरू करें मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि एल एस
uh,
डब्ल्यू दैट. हाँ बताइए.
no, no, let's discuss with all the members.
या.
Sagar, Surinder, and Chandrasekhar, please confirm.
यस. प्लीज कंफर्म.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
Surinder, what do you say? Should we do accounts payable or should we check this LSMW transaction code? Because this is
LSMW.
separate
LSMW.
LSMW. Sagar?
yes, sir, you can proceed.
Okay,
In a subject,
okay.
how
Hmm.
it looks, right? So
Sure, sure. Let me today show you the LSMW only.
सागर सुरेंद्र, आर यू ओके?
Surinder confirm. It is okay. Let
और यू वांट टू गो विद द फ्लो अकाउंट्स पेबल?
no 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 issues. We can do LSMW because today we already have less time because 11:30 I have an interview. So I might not be able to complete that thing. So let's do
ओके.
LSMW also.
आई एम सो सॉरी सर, मैं
No no
बहुत
no
टाइम ले
issues.
लिया.
But for the topics which you mentioned, I believe what I believe everybody could understand and everybody could recap all the things which we have covered. If not,
yes,
I will be giving you maybe from another 1 week or so. I will be giving you more time also because once my 1 or 2 batch will be finished, then I will be giving you extra time also.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Okay, okay. Then first of all, you need to understand FS00. Whatever transaction code you are going to use in LSMW, first you need to understand that thing. So in this FS00, whenever you are doing new entry, let's do new entry. Okay, this is click on new entry. You need to select this account group, this one. This is tricky part in LSMW because selecting from drop down, it is tricky part. But here system has given P. So we might select P, system will allow us. Otherwise, we may have issue also. So that is why, or maybe if I do one thing, let me see another transaction code. Wait. Okay, let's go for FS00 because this transaction code you do not know, so you might not be able to understand. Okay, so here you while creating the GL, you are selecting this account type, this one. Then in account group, you are saying this one. So before that, we have ADEX. So you don't need to mention administrative expense complete. You need to mention the ADEX. Then here you will be mentioning the some short description and long description. Then you will go to control tab. In the control tab, you will be mentioning the sort key.
Hmm.
And if you are creating the recon account, you will be selecting vendor like that.
Short key, what indicates, sir, actually?
Sort key will show you the data in the report in that way. Double
O-
zero one is for posting date.
Okay,
So
okay,
system will sort the data in posting date in the report
okay, okay,
for
yeah.
this GL. Okay. Now go to create. Here we will be selecting whatever field status group. Suppose this one. So mainly these are the fields we are going to select. So in LSMW, we will record. Remember this word. We will record only those fields which we want to update, which we will be using while creating the GL master. Suppose here we are creating only expense GL, but for recon account GL, we would be using this field also. Then record this field also, because at the same time you will be uploading recon account also or expense GL also, and use this also. Just click and then untick and then remove it. So once you select the field, system is recording that transaction, recording that field. And based on your requirement for expense GL, you don't need to mention this GL. You will not mention in the Excel. You will not click on this field, open item in the for the expense. But for recon account, you will select this, and for the balance sheet, you will select this. Okay. Now let's go to LSMW. LSMW. So here, okay, I think we did same LSMW in the different batch. That is why I was saying we were having issue regarding the that drop down. Okay, not an issue. But you will be able to understand with this transaction code, because this transaction code you know very well. And in future, for the different transaction code also, I will show you this LSMW again. Not to worry on that. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so this is project name. So you will be giving the name. Suppose I am saying CZ01, your company code, and then click on create. This is your company code. What is your company code? Zomato?
Yeah.
Zomato private. So whatever name you want to give, it is for your reference. Then okay. Then it is asking for sub project also. It is picking from this one as of now. You can change it also. So I am giving finance. Description is also finance, because we are going to use LSMW for finance transaction. You can use this LSMW for different module transaction code also. Click OK. Then here we are mentioning transaction code. You can mention anything. It's up to you. But I always mention the transaction code which we are going to use. So here I will description FS00 creation of GL master. Okay. So now I have given the name. So this and this will be always same. If you are suppose creating the transaction code for uh, text code, that text code transaction code is FTXP. Then I will create this, suppose text code creation. So now click on all object. In this project below finance, I have two transaction code. As of now, this is not transaction code. This is only the name. I have created these two things. In this, as of now, nothing we have. So let's select FS00 for which we are going to create. Okay. After entering this, you need to click on X. Where is that? Go to. We need to click on go to. Then you need to click on recording. I told you, remember this word recording. So we are going to record the transaction code for which we are going to create the LSMW. And what is the transaction code? FS00. We are going to record the transaction code FS00 through LSMW transaction code. Click
Mhm.
on recording. You will get this screen. Now click on new. Here enter the recording. So same name I'm using, FS00 GL master creation. Okay. As of now, only descriptions I'm mentioning. As of now, T code I did not mention. Now system is asking me to mention the T code. This is T code. Before that, I was mentioning the T code, but that was only for the description. Here I need to mention the T code which I want to record. Here I will mention FTXP. Here I will mention all the other transaction code which I'm going to record. Clear?
Yes. Can I
Now,
can I can I update multiple T codes at the same time?
no, no, no. Only one T code at a
Mm,
time.
got it.
Execute. Now system is taking you to screen where you want to record the transaction. So let's click on enter the GL which you want to create. For recording the transaction code, you need to create one case also. One GL, one BP, one text code, whatever you are going to create. One case you will be creating here. So I'm entering the latest number which I want to record. So let me do one thing. Now enter because you need to record the transaction code. You need to click on that field. This field, data is already there, but I'm mentioning because I want to record. Now click on new entry and remember while recording be careful to tick or to click on any field. Click on only for those fields which you want to record. Otherwise extra field will be recorded and that might give you problem to upload the data. Now click on create. Now here I need to select this and now here I need to select this. So this field is also recorded, this field is also recorded, this field. As of now, this short text and long text, it is not recording because I did not enter the anything in this field. Now I enter something. Would explain. Now short text is also recording. Now let me enter in the long text. Then now long text is also recorded. Now click on control data. Here it is recording because it is already coming my cursor on this screen. It's okay. Now I want to record this short key. This one. I want to record this also. Suppose I click on this one. Now I remove it. This field is also recorded. But in this GL, I don't need to mention. So I am taking my decision back. Now I want to record this also. But for this GL, it is not required. I will tick and I will untick. This field is also recorded. Now go to third tab. Here, enter this one. Now this field is also recorded. Now save it. One GL is already created while doing the recording and system recorded all these fields. System recorded all these fields. Are you able to see? Now it is getting little complicated for you, I believe.
Yes,
नहीं
yes,
नहीं समझ रहे हैं.
Yes,
We
sir.
are able to understand.
No, no, because the fields are so many. So because
Hmm.
yes,
hmm,
But why is recording so many fields? Because we selected only few fields, right?
no, because when you are running the transaction code system, you run some screens technically, which
Hmm.
we do not know how system is showing you first screen, how system is showing you second field.
Uh,
To show that field system is running some screens.
every steps are recorded. Like when you switch
Yeah,
from one tab to another tab.
not only tab only, everything. Because when you are switching from one tab to another tab, in the behind, what screen system is using, that also getting recorded. Numbers you can say BDC, sub IC. This is technical things. You don't need to understand. Only we need to understand where we have data.
Interesting. Yes.
So we have this one where
mm,
we entered the GL number, correct?
Yeah.
yes,
This is the company code. We entered company
mm,
code. Then we selected P for the account type.
Hmm.
mm,
Then see in the same screen, in the same tab, we have company code, GL number, account type, and short text and long text. For everything, system is taking all these fields again. Why? It is technically, and I also do not know the answer. System creates this screens automatically. I'm least bother about that thing. I'm only concerned about the data which I used.
Hmm.
Okay. Now let me explain. And not to worry, this transaction code I will show you at the end also. Because this transaction code I never tell in the beginning. I tell always at this around 70% or 80%. But yeah, For you, I will be explaining you this again at the end also. So this one, GL, I entered. I am like I want to know what is the field. This one, I don't know much about this field. I am able to understand, but you are not able to understand. Okay, let me try to explain you also. So this is GL account. This is English word. You are also able to know. Screen key. This is technical thing which SAP systems use, and this SAKNR. This is also technical. This is GL number in technical word, as Bucharest in technical word. So I am curious about this field, only two these fields. Here I know I want to use this field only. And here I want to use this one and this one. But this field and this field, it looks same.
Hmm.
Then what I'm going to do, so I'm keeping my cursor on this screen, this field. I will click on this delete button because this is duplicate. I don't need duplicate. I will delete this one. Now this
But,
is gone.
but let it be. I mean, will that be a problem if you duplicate it?
Yeah. You need to update. Your screen might run two times. Then your LSMW will be issue.
Hmm. Got it.
So keep it only once. So I deleted that free screen, field which is coming twice. Let's see. This is account group. I need this field. Again, I'm getting this field duplicate. So I will be deleting again this one. And this is also duplicate with this one. So I will be deleting this one also. Now, food expense. This is short text. This is long text.
Yes.
So I need both the screens because here you can see it is 20 characters, it is 50 characters. It is not the same screen. Description I entered, it is same, but it is not the same field. Okay, go down. Now INR.
Yes.
This screen, this field is also recorded automatically because data was there in that screen, and my cursor also went to this field. So this is okay. If you want, you can keep it. If you do not want, because this INR will come automatically every time whenever you are creating the GL. So you don't need to enter. Remove this field also. And now what is this? GL account screen C code MITS. Where is that open item? I believe this is the open item. Let me just check because if I want to record open item also, I need to have a confirmation that I'm recording the correct screen. So I will keep my cursor here. F1 here. GLC code looks like same. C code, but this is MITS. Let me see below. Okay, I believe this is open item because this is sort key and this is field status group. Okay, let's keep this one. This is for open item. Now you don't need to understand each and every line. Only you need to understand where you have data. Where you have data, this one. GL number, company code, account type, account group, fields description short, long description. This is open item. This is sort key and this is field status group. All these things you need to know and you need to keep only those fields. Apart from that, you are not going to touch. But your field should not be duplicate.
Got
As
it.
I deleted, you also going to delete it. Now I am sure I have recorded the correct transaction code for all the fields which I want to use. Now click on default all. After using all these screens or field, now you are sure you are going to keep these fields. Click on default all. Now you can click before that also, and it would be easy for you to understand because here you will be get the short name or English name. Okay, but you need to click on default before or maybe after. So this is GL number, Sackner GL number, company code Bucharest, and then account type, account group, short text, long text, and here we will be able to get to know this is reconciliation account, not open item. This is short key, and this is field status. So now save it. Understood till here?
Yes.
As of now, we have not executed even a single step. We are only recording. We have 14 steps to run in LSMW.
Mm.
Those steps are not complicated, only this thing is complicated. Those steps you are only going to follow. This step you need to create very carefully. Okay, now your recording is done. Go back. This is your recording. Now go back. Now execute. After recording, after checking field, after doing default all, you will be clicking on execute. Now you are going to use your 14 steps. All these 14 steps. And in this step, nothing is technical. Over there also nothing is technical, but that is very confusing and complicated for the first time people are going to use. For you, I would say. For me, I know what I was doing, but for you, it was difficult. But after recording, nothing is pending. Only you need to follow these steps. And this you need to run till here. This start direct input program, somebody added this steps. You will not find even in the live project.
Mm.
But we are going to use till here 14 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Mm.
Yes, somebody added this thing. Okay, keep it like that. Now click on this one, execute it. Do change. Click on batch input recording and select your recording name. FS00. So it is FS00 GL master creation. Now save it. Go back. First step is done. So I am telling you, in the 14 steps, you are not going to do anything. You are only going to follow. But for the recording, you need to be very careful.
Got it.
Okay. Now go to second step. Then click on new entry. Here, FS00. It is only a name, FS00, and it is not going to use the same name. Then I will enter FS00A. It is FL0 GL master creation. This step is also done. Did you do anything in the first two steps? I think no.
Very minor.
Nothing. You are only going to follow. Now in the third step, here you are going to do very little thing. Let me go back. Before running the third step, click on this object overview. Click on table. Copy this thing and copy in the Excel. Let me open the Excel.
इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है सर हम जो कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट वन अंडरस्टूड सेकंड
Uh,
वन थोड़ा सा समझ में नहीं आया कि व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दैट
we are, एक second. Go back. First one में तो we selected the recording which we created.
करेक्ट
Second one में we are creating the source structure. जो हमने recording करी है, we are going to use in a structure. In the recording, we have 7 or 8 fields.
करेक्ट
Those fields are this one, GL number, company code. This is structure.
ओके
So in the second step, I'm going to create the structure which I'm going to use in the third step.
अंडरस्टूड
Here I have given the structure name. Now I will come in the third step. Before coming to third step, I need to click on this and I will copy the from table this one and then I will paste in the Excel. Copy and paste in the Excel. Same thing. Clear? Now this structure, you need to do little change. Copy this thing, cut and paste it here. Okay, now remove this or maybe do one thing. Enter C here. Instead of CHAR, maybe let me close this one. Instead of CHR, you will keep only C
व्हाट इज
like this.
सीएचआर
Character.
कैरेक्टर ओके
So you system says that instead of CHR, you will be keeping only C. And then you don't need this field, table name, and you don't need T code. Your field starts from this one, GL number. You enter the GL number first. So your field is starting from this one. Okay. Then I'm removing the above two fields also. because my fields are starting from GL number.
Yeah, that number is what? I mean, number of characters. 10,
Where?
4, 1, 1, 1,
Yeah, yeah.
4, 20.
This character you have limit of 10. In that field, you can enter only a limit of 10 character or 10
Okay.
number
Okay. But we're
or
given.
10. But it is only okay for you can give C. You need to give C, but it
Hmm.
is okay. You can enter number.
Hmm.
Okay. So in this field, I cannot give more than 10 character.
Got it. That's
System
a
is
max
taking
limit.
character number also, but you need to enter C. Now copy this thing. Go to third step. Go to third step. Select this source structure which you created. Click on edit. Then click on this button table maintenance. Here enter that structure. Field, character, length, and the description.
Okay.
And then save it. Go back and then save it again. Go back. Now click on define structure relation. This structure which you created, you need to create the relation also. Execute it, edit, and then save it. Nothing else you need to do.
What is the relationship it built? It built a
Yeah,
FSW.
it is. No, no. s- It is a predefined step you need to follow. System is doing automatically in the backend. You don't need to do anything.
The
But in
linking.
in this step, you need to do edit and save it. This step is also done.
Sir, how do we know what we can to do? So because in first two step we can go to normal way, and the third step define source field. We create a table. We just
Uh,
click on
uh,
these and these button and enter.
uh,
So how we can know we what we have to do?
I'm
मतलब
telling you.
yeah, sir. It's a little bit confusion going on.
No, no. So whatever I'm telling you, only you need to follow those things to run
Okay.
this LSMW. If I tell you this thing in the first screen,
Yes. Yes.
in my 9 years of experience, I always use this option only.
Okay.
I know about
Hmm.
this one also, this one,
Hmm.
but in my 9 years of experience, I never use this screen, this screen, this screen. And
Okay.
you are also not going to use it. I think we were able to see some extra field. Let me show you if we can see again. Because if I tell you each and everything which is not useful for you, as of now also you are getting confused because this transaction code is a little complicated. I know.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Before below this, we were getting some other options also. Those options are not applicable. Those options are coming from this
Hmm.
BAPI,
Sir,
IDO.
these are the predefined option. We in every LSMW
Uh,
steps, these are the predefined steps. Not have any step included in it, in between it, or in.
no, no,
मतलब
I'm
these.
unable to understand your query.
सर ये जो आपने ये जो
Uh,
टेबल्स जो स्टेप्स है ये
uh,
प्रीडिफाइंड स्टेप्स है.
Predefined
इसके
है.
प्रीडिफाइंड इसमें कोई मतलब कोई स्टेप जैसे कोई इंक्लूड नहीं होगा. मतलब यही मेरा मतलब
जो मैं
स्टार्टिंग होगा.
प्रोसेस
हाँ.
हाँ जो मैं प्रोसेस आपको बता रहा हूँ, इफ यू
हम्म.
वांट टू क्रिएट LSMW,
हम्म.
आपको वही 1 से लेके 10 तक या 14 तक सारे स्टेप
अच्छा.
वैसे ही करने हैं.
वैसे ही करने. ओके. ओके.
थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस मैं आपको अभी नहीं बताना चाहता,
हम्म.
बट अगर आप ऐसे करोगे आपके सारे LSMW बनेंगे. बट अगर आप
ओके.
उस LSMW को इजी करना चाहते हो तो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा है, वो मैं अभी नहीं बताना चाहूंगा क्योंकि आपके लिए कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा.
ओके.
बट अगर
ओके.
आपको LSMW बनाना है, दिस इज द ओनली वे.
ओनली वे.
एंड दिस
ठीक है.
यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. और अभी आपको रिमेंबर नहीं होगा, एक दो बार,
यस.
3 बार,
यस.
4 बार, 5 बार क्रिएट करोगे, बट यू विल बी एबल टू क्रिएट. अगर आपको
ओके.
अभी रिमेंबर नहीं है, गूगल पे डॉक्यूमेंट लोगे, ढूंढोगे LSMW डॉक्यूमेंट, आपको 14 स्टेप का डॉक्यूमेंट मिल जाएगा. और
ओके.
आपको जैसे आपने करा होगा तो आपको इजी रहेगा कि क्या करना है.
ओके.
अगर आपने नहीं करा होगा तो आपको वो डॉक्यूमेंट समझ नहीं आएगा. देखो
यस.
डॉक्यूमेंट तो सारे हैं गूगल पे, जो मैं रोज आपको भेज भी रहा हूँ डॉक्यूमेंट, वो मैंने नहीं बनाए हैं. मैं आपको भेज रहा हूँ, मेरे पास गूगल से कहीं आते हैं, मेरे को लगता है ये डॉक्यूमेंट आपके लिए अच्छा है, तो आई सेंड इन दी चैट और इन दी ग्रुप.
द
कोई
ग्रुप.
ओपनिंग आती है, मैंने कुछ नहीं बनाया.
ओके.
आई एम ओनली फॉलोइंग दी रूल्स विच SAP हैज डिजाइन.
ओके.
बट मुझे वो डॉक्यूमेंट इसलिए समझ आते हैं बिकॉज आई हैव वर्कड ऑन और आई हैव
वर्क ऑन
लर्न.
इट. यस.
अभी आप LSMW लर्न कर पा रहे हो, अगर उसके बाद डॉक्यूमेंट देखोगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड.
ओके.
अगर आप पहले डॉक्यूमेंट देखोगे तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा.
यस. यस.
ठीक है, तो जो स्टेप हम कर रहे हैं आपको वही स्टेप करने हैं, नथिंग मोर देन दैट.
ओके.
अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ. आपको SAP में जितना भी हम कर रहे हैं, अगर आप उतना कर लोगे तो आपके लिए इनफ है. अगर आप सोचोगे जो मैंने कर लिया है मतलब जो मैं करा रहा हूँ उसके अलावा मैं ज्यादा चीजें करने की कोशिश करूँ, बट जो जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, तो आपका करना कोर्स करना वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम और वेस्ट ऑफ मनी है। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उसके अलावा मत करो, करो, बट पहले वो जरूर करो, उसमें अगर आपकी पकड़ हो जाती है देन डेफिनेटली पुट योर एफर्ट टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स, एक्स्ट्रा थिंग, इट विल गिव यू बेनिफिट।
Okay.
बट अगर आप इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू लर्न मोर थिंग्स बट यू आर नॉट लर्निंग द बेसिक थिंग्स, देन योर मनी एंड योर टाइम विल बी वेस्टेड।
Okay.
मेरा कुछ नहीं जाएगा, देखो आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग टाइम एंड आई एम गेटिंग मनी फॉर दैट।
Okay.
यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग टाइम, यू आर पेइंग द मनी।
Yes.
आपकी साइड पे उल्टा है, मेरी साइड पे उल्टा है। मेरे
Yes.
को तो वही
Yes.
दिन है उतना ही कोर्स कराना है। मैं किसी जैसे आपके आपको एक दो टॉपिक ज्यादा भी करा दूंगा, या किसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन ज्यादा होगा, 2 घंटे 4 घंटे 5 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा लग जाएंगे, बट
Yes.
आई एम गेटिंग पेड फॉर दैट।
Yes. Yes.
बट अगर आपको सीखना है तो यू नीड टू डेफिनेटली पुट योर एफर्ट। जितना कर रहे हैं
Yes.
उतना तो करना ही करना है। अगर
Yes.
उसके
Yes.
ज्यादा करते हो तो इट इज गुड फॉर यू, फॉर योर फ्यूचर ऑल्सो। और मैं
Yes.
ओपनिंग्स भेजता हूँ तो कीप ऑन अप्लाइंग, आई वुड से।
Okay.
अभी मुझे पता है आप यू आर नॉट रेडी।
Yes.
After
Yes.
60-70% course, I would say you guys would be ready for the jobs as per your experience.
Superb.
Okay.
संतोष
Yes.
जी के
Yes.
लिए मैं कहूंगा डिफरेंट केस है, संतोष जी आपका मैं बाद में डिस्कस करता हूँ।
Great, sir.
बट फॉर सागर, सुरेंद्र एंड चंद्रशेखर, आई वुड से openings whatever I'm sending you, at least send resume.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I know you will not get the response because you do not have that resume also created.
Yeah, we're
Because
not
they are
created.
also, yeah, they are also looking for the people who are having those knowledge on the resume first. Because आप उनको मुंह पे जाकर तो बोलोगे नहीं मुझे ये आता है, मुझे ये आता है, ये आता है। दे विल अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम योर रिज्यूमे। और अभी
Okay.
आपके रिज्यूमे पे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा। वो डेफिनेटली दे विल नॉट कॉल यू। बट धीरे धीरे मे बी अभी मत सेंड करो, ओके। आफ्टर 50% स्टार्ट सेंडिंग योर रिज्यूमे ऑल्सो।
Okay.
Hmm.
क्योंकि
Yes, sir.
जब तक कोर्स होगा आपको फ्लेवर आना लग जाएगा कि मेरे को क्या क्या
You
करना है।
mean
Yes.
existing
Yes.
resume, right? Not we are not prepared the resume for SAP,
जो
right?
जो चीजें कर ली है ना, मैं तो कहूंगा कीप ऑन एडिंग दैट थिंग इन द रिज्यूमे,
In
अगर
the
आपको
resume.
श्योर है कि मेरे को आगे है।
Yes. Yes.
अगर आप खाली मेंशन करने के लिए डाल रहे हो कि मेरे को मेंशन करना है, फिर वो इंटरव्यू
Yeah.
में आपको धेड़ देंगे फिर।
Yes.
वो
Yes.
भी नहीं
Yeah.
है। ठीक है, तो चाहे चलो मैं आई विल डू वन थिंग, आई विल मेंशन व्हेन यू नीड टू शेयर योर रिज्यूमे। बट अगर मैं आपकी को जॉब दे रहा हूँ, अगर आपको लगता है तो इट्स अप टू यू।
Okay.
आफ्टर 50% आई विल टेल यू स्टार्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग द ऑप्शंस इन द मार्केट।
Yes. Yes. Thank you,
ठीक
sir.
है।
Yeah, but we need to prepare, right? Before that, the resume.
रिज्यूमे रिज्यूमे के लिए भी आई विल हैव अ सेशन विद यू।
Uh,
Yes.
ठीक है, नोट टू वरी ऑन दैट।
सर यू आर ग्रेट सर। मुझे कहाँ
सर,
जॉब दिलवाओगे सर?
सर आप से तो मुझे जॉब चाहिए सर।
सर आप पे
मैं तो देखो देखो मेरा फंडा लाइफ का सिंपल है। इफ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग आई विल डू इट फ्रॉम माय कोर ऑफ हार्ट।
नो
Yes.
सेकंड थॉट।
Yes.
यू
हाँ
आर ए
मेरा,
नोबल पर्सन, नो
Great, sir.
सेकंड
Great,
थॉट।
sir.
मैं बिकॉज यू गाइज आर पेइंग, आप अपनी
Yes.
सैलरी में से पे कर रहे हो, मुझे तो
Yes.
पैसे मिल रहे हैं सर।
Yes. Yes.
मेरे को कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है कभी किसी को, मेरे को चंद्रशेखर के लिए भी थोड़ा फील होता है कि मैं उनको टाइम नहीं दे पा रहा। बट डेफिनेटली आई विल बी एबल टू गिव। बट इफ आई एम गेटिंग समथिंग आई विल गिव रिवर्ट फॉर दैट।
Yes.
I'll tell you
Yes.
something. The
हम्म
people who are getting trend from you, right? So
हम्म।
they are in the safe hand,
Yes. Yes.
देखो
right?
वो भी मेरे पास बैड एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं वो बच्चों के लिए नहीं कहूंगा। एक इंस्टीट्यूट का है मेरे पास, उनकी वजह से वो बच्चों का पूरा कोर्स नहीं हो पाया था।
Hmm.
पर ठीक है, वो अलग सा सिनेरियो है।
uh,
चलो मैं भी ना अब जल्दी जल्दी करता हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव
जी
अ
जी
इंटरव्यू ऑल्सो
जी जी
इन 5 minutes।
okay, you are attending the interview.
I am
That
taking, yeah, I am attending the interview
taking
for the,
or
no, no, I am attending for the freelancing.
okay.
Great, sir.
Yes, sir, I have one doubt actually. Okay,
हम्म।
how to upload this data into LSMW? Okay, I'm sharing my
Yes.
screen. Just 2
नो
minutes.
नो, अभी मैंने तो बताया नहीं, अभी
Yes.
आपने
Abhi.
LSMW।
Yes. 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 Sir, part is missing.
हाँ नहीं नहीं चंद्रशेखर, अभी मैंने तो बताया नहीं LSMW में अभी हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया अभी हमने।
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
ठीक है।
Yes.
LSMW अभी मैंने यहाँ पे 2 स्टेप्स बनाए हैं अभी, ठीक है,
yes
चार तीन
Yes.
चार कर दिए हमने।
Yes, sir, that's
Yes.
fine. That's fine. I
Three
have
steps
one.
are there.
Yeah, so now I'm not talking
हाँ
about. I have one scenario. I need to upload it into SAP, right? That data.
हाँ।
I have this data. Okay. For
तो ठीक है, अभी
example,
काम करते हैं,
so
फिर
we have
आज
a
आपका
multiple.
देख लेते हैं 5 मिनट के लिए, फिर कल मैं यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करता हूँ। एक बार रिकैप भी करा दूंगा जो 4 स्टेप हमने किए ना। आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर दिखा दो फिर क्विकली।
Okay.
I think we are seeing his screen.
एक सेकेंड, मे बी मेरे को
Yeah,
नहीं।
stop now.
तो यू आर गोइंग टू शेयर योर स्क्रीन?
Can I share my
या
screen?
प्लीज प्लीज।
You have an interview, right, sir?
Yeah, yeah,
11:30. It's
yeah.
already
11.
11:30.
No, no. In my watch, it is saying 4 minutes are left.
Yes, sir.
Let
Yes,
it
sir.
be. No
What
issues.
2
I
minutes? Sir.
am.
2 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
Please, please,
checking your
please.
time. So here, I hope you are able to see.
Yes.
It is coming.
Yeah, it is coming.
I think it's a network issue.
Yes, it is coming.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So I have this. This is we got the LSMW from the supporting team. So
Hmm.
I need to upload data into SAP in S4 using
Huh.
the T code. I am into post into ABA. This is unplanned
ABA.
depreciation. Okay. So
Huh.
how can upload the data here
Hmm, hmm,
from
hmm.
Excel file?
So, as I told you, whenever you need to run the LSMW, firstly you need to see how you are going to use that transaction code manually. जैसे आप मैनुअली
Yeah,
यूज
yeah.
कर पा रहे हो
So
वैसे
what
ही
this is
हाँ हाँ करो लेट्स रन दैट ट्रांजैक्शन कोड ABA
ABA. This is T code I
हाँ
need to use. Okay.
हाँ run that transaction code ABA.
Yeah.
So this is your production system.
It will take some. Yeah.
No, Chandrasekhar, this is
Yeah.
your
This is
production
your test
system.
system, sir. No,
This is
no.
our
I'm
set test system.
using the.
Okay. Now
Yeah,
the
yours just.
enter the asset number. Chandrasekhar, enter the asset number. Chandrasekhar, can you hear us?
Chandrasekhar, can you hear us?
Uh, yeah.
Can you hear us?
ठीक
Yeah,
है, I
yeah.
think system slow चल
Can
रहा
you
है
hear
ठीक है
me?
हाँ now we can hear you.
Sorry for that network issue, maybe.
हम्म
For that, taking more time. T64. 064. Okay, this is our requirement.
हम्म
Uh,
company code.
any company code, okay? Any company code I can use. But it's not
मैं
this
समझ
thing,
गया.
but is test actually what I'm making.
Santosh, your voice is breaking, and now I have only 1 minute left.
Otherwise, we'll do one thing. Upload a data.
Okay,
Yeah, you can carry on, sir. No issues.
tomorrow I will
Can
do
you,
one thing. I have a live system also available for asset accounting. Tomorrow I need to do asset accounting testing. So maybe this transaction code, if I will be able to run the LSMW for this transaction code, I will show you in that live system.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
ठीक
yeah.
है?
Can you please show me that
Okay.
one?